Okay, I'm here at the lake and it is super windy. I was stuck this week deciding whether I should fish the wind or wait for the front to pass and try to fish the cold front. So I'm going to try to fish the wind. Who knows? Who knows? We'll find out. The good news is I have the lake pretty much all by myself, all to myself. So we'll see what happens. All right, Newcastle Reservoir, 30-mile-per-hour south winds. Bring it on. There he is. We saw you last time you were here. Glad you're still functioning. Not anything dangerous. You got a fish. Maybe a wiper. That feels like a wiper to me. He's probably only 18 inches or so, maybe 20. Just on the corner there. But I had him hooked pretty good with that one. Just one. But I did have him hooked good with that one. Nice. Maybe break out the tape measure. Tell you what, that was worth the trip right there. You never know. We got about 40-inch wiper. Let's let him go. Let's let him go. Free the fighter. There he goes. There we go. We got another one here. Oh, good smallie. Good smallie. Good smallie in the wind. Go. Well, you can catch fish in a wind, even this bad wind. He's probably 16. I'm not gonna measure him, but probably 16. Nice. All right. Oh, there we go. Oh. Oh. Another strong little smallie. I'll take it. Strong little guy. I thought that was a bigger fish. There we are. Largemouth. About 12 inches. Like that. Heavy fish. Nice little largie here. Nice little largie. Oh, I think I just break. All right, nice largemouth. Not giant, but that's a pretty good fish. Right off the bank in the wind. There he goes. Oh, but look what we got here. There's some snagged out there. Got a nice little popper. Berkley. That's a good lure. That's another good one. About 15, 16 inches. In the surf here. There he goes. Alright, we got another swim bait on, at least till I get to the car, relocate. Oh, nice little largie here. Nice. Come on. Not huge. 12, 13 inches or so. Come on. Come on. Come on out here. There we are. Fatty. Fatty. Largies, smallies, wipers, what fun. Ooh, there's a good hit. I think that's a wiper. Keep the tension on them. Running up the bank. Oh, he's running again. Not huge, but that's a good one. Another 20-incher. I love catching them. Come here. When they get close to the bank, you gotta keep your drag loose because they'll run like that. Get in the water with him. Looks like he's only about 18 inches or so. Had him hooked all the way through the nose. There we go. Yep, he's probably only 18 inches. Nice. Fun. There he goes. All right.